Hi friends, so today we will learn how to make a Diarywriter a Java desktop application through the NetBeans application. NetBeans is a utility given by the Sun Microsystem. So here you are watching as I am writing in the editor, characters are increasing. I have selected 3 letters, total words in the text box are 8. So we will code for this all as we have given a slider bar. As slider bar increases, its text size increases. We can save it. Here this is time. I will click on 7M. It will automatically write, and we type as a blah blah blah. This is a Diarywriter, so we can manage our timetable as we did on the date particular. We can set and save it. We can save it in text file mode, text diary mode, encrypted diary mode. We can set the font, choose the font, file, cut, copy, paste, delete. We will learn to all these things. Encrypt, we can encrypt our diary so that nobody can easily read it. Decrypt it also. There are a lot of options about software. Prem diary software, free to use, no need to register. So let's start to code it. Okay, now first you have to install NetBeans through java.sun.com, and after successfully installing, open it. Now here new project button, click on it, go to Java and Java desktop application, click on next, again next. Now write your project name. I am taking simple editor. Remember this name, we will use it again and again. Finishing, this is default frame. Now here watch simple editor. This is our project and this is our package. We have given 3 files by default: simple editor about box.java, editor application.java, viewer.java. And after clicking simple editor application.java, this is already default code, and we do not need this. After debugging this, we get that it has already a frame which we will not use. We will make our own frame. So click on the package, new JFrame form, type your frame name. My first app I am giving it. Click on finish then, yes. And this is a blank frame on which we will design our simple editor or Diarywriter. Okay, now click on the palette button, choose your component as required. Click on the text area. This text area I will name as JText area 1. Menu bar, and adding menu item in the menu bar. Go to design, add from palette, click on menu item. Okay, edit it, type it cut, copy and paste. Again taking menu item, add from palette, menu item, name as copy. And you can see just near the cut text there is an option for shortcut. We can set shortcut also for it. Just double click on the shortcut, you will get, and press your keystroke. Okay, cut, copy, paste. For paste, Control V. You can set any key as you need. And taking a slider bar for increasing size of the font in the text area, taking a level. Okay, now because default now it is the startup function in the application.java, and default it is opening simple editor view, but we have created our own new frame. So we want to, and that frame is named as my first app.java. Instantiate here, make an object of that class my first app java. A is object is equal to new my first app, giving a constructor. Now with the help of this object I can call the function set visible true, so that after debugging we can see our frame which we have designed. A scroll bar, label, text area, cut, copy, paste. You can type here, but nothing will happen here after clicking on your components, because we had not coded for the events. Now we have to code for the events. Now go to the my first app. Now let's code for the J slider bar. Right click, event, change, and state change. State change means as you are changing its value, and this is the J slider 1 state change function in which we will code for it work. J text area 1 set font. So we want to set the font of the text area. New font, taking new font class, Arial, font name, font style, font dot bold. We want bold and as well as italic. Now we are getting to size, J slider 1 dot get value, means it is taking its size value from the J slider value, and closing, terminating the command. Here it is red, means we have not imported the font class. So import java dot awt dot font. Okay, now you can debug it. So we have coded for the slider bar, and as we will change its slider value, the font size will increase or decrease. Okay, so but we have to still code for cut, copy, paste. Close it. Let's okay, now we have to code for the cut, copy, paste. So first we will code for the we will set our text, that we do not know how much value we are increasing or decreasing. So label, setting text, the value, and concat with the string, that is percent. Debugging it. Now if we will change the value, the label taking a test, yes, 20%, 1%, it's changing as we have already coded for the label value plus percent string. Okay, but we have not still coded for the cut, copy, paste. Okay, now close it. Yes. Now go to the design. You have seen that there is a source panel and the design panel. In the design panel we design, in the source panel we write the code. Now here in the J menu item, action performed, cut. For the copy, J text area 1 dot copy, and for paste, J text area 1 dot paste. Okay, so we have written the code. Now let's check. Select you doing, copy, and below you can paste it, edit, paste. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Slider bar is working, cut, copy, paste is working. So you can code everything for it. Let's go to my already made project. This is, you have already seen that. So you can get code, overall code of my first project, loves Diarywriter, as I have given in the description. So you can easily watch that code. You can, but you need some slightly knowledge of Java basics, so that you can easily code this particular desktop application. So that's it. I am Prem Bharti.